Hey guys, Anthony Speciale here with Speciale Analysis. Hope you're doing well and enjoying your day. Want to give you a brief update here on LBAI Lakeland Bancorp Incorporated. We had notified the readers of my daily email and the followers of mine on TradingView that there was a buying opportunity presented right here. You can see price action has been impulsing, consolidating, even correcting to the upside here for quite some time. You can see every time it gets above the 50 here, we meet the 200. Above the 50, above the 200, we go higher. The 50, trending above the 200, we're pushing higher once again. So we had this nice, really clean counter trend line break here. I'm going to make this a dash so that it looks different than the rest of the data here on the screen. So you could see price action found resistance along this line, here, and ultimately broke out. And not only did it break out, but it then, opened and closed above into this area, which was really what signified the opportunity for this to go higher. So taking let's just say this area here, about 19 bucks, we're looking at a quick 5, nearly 6% return. Now, some of you may go, that's not exciting. Well, if you can do this over and over and over again and perfect this little thing that we call compounding, that's all you really need is just a couple of these a month, handful of them that you roll your profits in from one to the next and 5-6% is nothing to laugh at. The idea is finding them consistently with high probability. This was one of those consistent high probability trades. We are on the approach here of our $20 target based upon some long-term resistance of price action up in this area. So when we found this area once upon a time back here in December 21, obviously we had sold aggressively away from it, but we are now rapidly approaching it. So at $20, I would take some profit. I would also at this point have my stop move to break even somewhere around this area, the high $18 mark where we got into this trade, and just let it continue to do what it's doing. Retesting this channel structure up in this area, potentially somewhere around $21, is not out of the question. But again, couple days we're in this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just a hair over a week. We've wrapped up about 1% per day. And it was easy. Not only was it easy, I shared this with each and every one of you 100% for free. So I just want to recap this, let you know that we are making progress. At this point, I personally would have all the risk off the table. I'd have my stop at break even, and I'd be looking at potentially starting the profit taking process. So if you want to learn more about what I do, if you look below this video, there's a whole bunch of links to the tools that I use, to the services that I offer, to my website. Maybe you want to sign up for my free daily newsletter where I cover topics in the market, topics outside of the market that I feel are relevant, that can bring value to you. Cover some of the trades that we're taking and things of that nature. So there's lots to learn. If you'd like to have a conversation, I'm certainly open to that. I'm a one-man show. I don't have a sales team. I don't have a client retention team. I don't have anybody but myself. So when you ask a question, you get an answer from me. If you'd like to have a chat, let's do it. Send me an email, info@specialeanalysis.com. And we'll talk. We'll have, we can jump on the phone. We can have a Zoom meeting. We can communicate through email. I've been trading now for about a dozen years, and my goal is to help others who want to be successful in this field. So drop me a comment below. Look forward to hearing from you. More importantly, look forward to working with you. Have a beautiful and blessed day. Anthony Speciale, signing out.